Red flags the fire truck zooming by. Blue is the ocean where waves splash high. Yellow is the sun shining so bright. Green is the grass where we love to play. Orange is the pumpkin, round and plump. Purple is the grape, ready to munch. Pink is the flower, swaying in the breeze. Black is the night with stars we can see. White is the snow, so fluffy and light.